Tong, nili dapur NOE loh. Minute back sian jot po. I can see many students from Difu Government College, right? Okay. Thank you for coming. And then I know long speech will often make you bored. I know that very much because we all have been in that place some time ago. But then I tell you, my friend, being a good listener will take you a long way in your life. So just tell yourself, just put your hand on your heart and then just tell yourself, I'll try to bear all this, whatever it takes. And then I guarantee you it will give you big things in your life. Si Kathaling stuff, pini lapusan apor kini N.E KARBI life pen ingdeng klik madeningkan tiket chok labang sorni katalon along. Nili pansitame lapen nili tum ajirpo jirpia tum pansitame nangke papen. Nong e nang apa jirpen ke cenglok manteng tipi lamlun kimi nangkiro pen ke cenglok ason kimi nang apa jir hekepot. N.E KARBI life hantat curung lapen kiklem duna bang pu bang thi kacepat duk abang pu bang thi karjap luk atum an pansitame ninga klong pen curu lapen hijume pa jirlo N.E KARBI live patangso news channel an sose paprang nang an sose pathe nang an sose pading nang an sose pathek pare nang lapen an sose bet long ri khe phan an sose akemi asai ke klem jelong ma hijume pa donang. On this beautiful occasion, I would like to congratulate the N.E KARBI live news channel for having the ability, for struggling all these years to complete this 4th Foundation Day. I know it takes very much to strike this long time. And obviously, definitely, it is a teamwork. Each and every one of you have contributed a lot, just as the CEO have expressed. I have seen he was being emotional while praising his team. So only he knows what was going on inside his heart or his mind. But then we all can feel, when your team is with you, when you work together as a team, nothing can deter you in your life. So I can see you have been working as a very big team, as a very great team, and obviously, definitely, you have come to this beautiful 4th Foundation Day. So, in one word, congratulations to all the team of N.E KARBI Life. Lapen non adun thua lam bangalalo pini nong e nang apajir polong bangke aprang si nili karju bangke N.E KARBI live a CEO phan karju bangke kopia nong e lo pusin arjulo athema nong e kachot beng po bangke isi hedung alam pinang pot lapen leadership pu laso angthek kachelong laso recognition kachelong ke lake apornang kop dikir isi made ningkan cap and back apornang kop tahai athema leadership pu ke lake elom so phan kali lake time tested pu bang pudo ningkanang bongta nangli methang akamatha ideology a principles or a do chelarle pin mathat thip mang thip che George pin pen karjap luk thek halapuson ang thek klang nang la pen lage klang ni phan ke lage ningkan si ning bong klang ni lage ningkan kep ba ke por nang kopji wala pen ake ong la si alang li dang than lo emerging youth leader pulo si emerging pulo tang de non si ki thurmi o pasila pulo tang de cho bengon hai polam la hai non si ki thurmi non si on the process of making a leader. So non si inut asongja kemanji phan ang deng dam bomlang ko si isi ang nang pang thek lo aso a recognition mate ang thek nang pilo aposi la ana bangke so bengun haiji athema boi dun bom lo la pen la bangke isi ning nang apa the isi nang tar chak dun pusi ni li bangke si hok pon lo la pen e theng no mat nang ro lo protang te ni li kosolo ma pui ho emme kupu si galang ning ma koson si gitu ning ma la so bang adi kacecak no isi dodo kacecak no pa ning oi kacecak no bang gali he seta isi do isi nervousness dodo. So I was telling when I got a call from the CEO of N.E KARBI Life that I would be awarded with as a emerging youth leader. So I thought I could, accept this award because I know to be recognized as a leader and then to be able to accept an award, it takes time. And I say leadership is about not compromising your leadership, not compromising your ideology, standing strong for a long time, and not selling yourself. There are lots of buyers who are trying to manipulate and take you to some other direction. But then a leader is the one who doesn't compromise with his ideology, his ethics. The characteristic of a person being tested for a long time, it makes you a leader. But then I'm still young, and then roughly I have been involved in the social activities right from the year of 2010, because I passed my matriculation in the year 2009, and then I got admitted in Guwahati B. Borwa College, and since 2010 I was involved in social activities. So it's been long time, not very long time, but it's been long. And then to get this recognition, it's of course a great time. It's a privilege for me to get this recognition. And then CEO of N.E KARBI Life, Mr. Rongpi, have been praising me right in front of me. And I often get nervous when people praise you right in front of you. I often don't know what should be my body language, where my eyesight should be. So this kind of nervousness I used to feel, but it's okay. It's a great time. Thank you so much, N.E KARBI Life and team, for this big recognition. And then I will just hope to live up to the expectation of your team, and then the expectation of the community at large, and then I sort of guarantee that this team will not regret for presenting me this award. I will just stand strong. Thank you very much. Lapen adun thu bangke alam thege ni rihin ben than oji ke avelo jasamet media atum akuthak protangte nili ke kathan dun je bangali muthe ning girung dun thekji mine polam chorlo mohet nili tum klem ra petlo se sing be ake haida me than ponlo media protangte jo sini lo ke fourth pillar of democracy protangte isi democratic update along anujok de sini anujok protang jo sini lo anujok kavilo te ke krep o hemasi lapan se anujok pulo mati alam hipik anujok ko bang alam arjang tang nang nak sita anujok protang te lake lale kabilo te krep lo non India long bangke media protang te nangkang dai so kalilo hala ciki mobile non bangke India a media pasti ciki thai lo non la panang deng nang le rok lo se than le rok lo hala suri hini anur naik lang hut 2,000 rupees anur naik lang hut la son nut long si microchips do pon la ke than lo mati di hala G news long pine chips do pine la so tangka ke na hole war khit patu joi ta la ke jok ta tres una son si ni thap ni pula son ta penangan media long dolo non India pen Pakistan ron cedan bom hudan ta lam ke than ta blok lo ha Islamabad bethi be tha ta India ke capture de lo ta cherayam de lo pon ta news ke le thai lo ni chiki thai de la puson ang deng si do lo la puson apor hud India long stame antame arjab kluk a media tum do ko an akit du kisung ang bong hala chiki thai avelo tani tumbang arjab thiti potum do sila puson apor hud ni karbi yang long aputhak mate karbi long a context long kani yegang tumbang la pulo dolo atheman lage media pote lo song long ta rong long ta na hok long ta aki pe na ke lo black and white ke lage dolo aki mi ke no ke do son si media long stame kumat ne thaning si thelo da ka do kok ta hai sitame ning ka che thia tum ta do po bang ke tum ta karbi long ta thek long no son si dak pini NE KARBI live la pen ong dung dak digital forum along penangan atum pandang ini ngecek he un la person ang thek bang thek long la so posi ini ngarong so posi la hello nili hin pen a thek ong lam ke than ji ke velo jasemet bang ke pini obe kimi yang bong pen pusi jasemet ke nang hok lo la so recognition ang pilok pot nili jasemet ke obe kimi tum han nili pen arta jum tumuchar tum han jese mer bang panom po nili pen akle tum han bang nili hin pen kachathan ojilam ke avelo since I was awarded with the emerging youth leader I would just like to focus on students friends and whoever have come here who are younger than me. My message to you on this beautiful day is to have a very clear goal and then to sacrifice everything that you have got for that goal that you have. There are lots of things which might come on your way, but then when you have a clear goal you will definitely reach for that even though you have no lots of obstacles on your way. So the other day I was talking about a tiger aiming for its prey. There might be lots of deer, but then when a tiger focuses for its prey, the tiger will aim for only one deer. So the tiger will run and jump for that one goal only. Numbers of deers might come on his way, but then he is not going to look the other way. He is going to focus on only one goal. That is very clear. Lalu nili pung tungu bangkil lalu nili solam ta ninji lo lapen theklong po non ke internet akai. This is the age of internet, the age of AI. You will have lots of examples, lots of motivational speech on the internet, on AI. There are lots of examples which are readily available for you. But then sometimes lots of motivation, lots of examples makes you pointless or valueless. It is for you to just focus on one, whatever examples you might have. But the only thing is that to have a very clear goal. Ake mangjong si klar dak lo pulotang te RV RA ke lang ji phan ke ma tha thelu. Hala kupi ma ke long nai la ma tha thipo la pela so munit kumani ke thanta pe than phu ben ke phiji polam ke abilu lage. Athema ake mang klare loke la phan long bek nang pu. La hello nili puji bu bang kelasi jasemet obe kimi tum phan chuni rikang tung bang la hello nang la tum ake mang bang sepak la dak non la pen hala so ke mang nang tum ninge hang ateng non la so ke mang teng tik ke bang nang tum dam thordon ke ke non la pen me ke jang ta me chi unang po nani kilun ke kan pine jong si u nai pa me u nang po ma kumani bang ke kilun ke kan se ning hang hote kilun ke kan o sa por jipi nang po o son se ni pung tu nona bang ke mang bang ason ka prek ta na ke klem tu bang ason ka prek lo tang te dak helo itum ki pu dim bang ke lasi anu tinta ar pudore lo media tunta birta kapak lang lo lapen kace song long dampo luachali long dampo ke kan kilun long dampo anu tinta amethang ar puche klem rap lo tang te dak helo ke gaching thur ke ta is inut na tunta kace song tunta klem pamme me ke kan kilun tunta dun pamme me lapen birta kapak lang pamme me tang te itum anu tinta ar puche klem pamme me tang te dak si ke bang ke akisung nang klang po hello si pini labang so ani kimeani N.E KARBI life ningkan phi ke chogarni nong e ke long apotame ning samlo la pendak ke the ke ding tum jasemet pet kese pentana che tongdun teron sang ho pen chenglo ku KARBI national organization ken open the do se sang ho pen chenglo digital forum along amei phu tun mai phu pen ke chenglo alang itum klem ra pet atum la pen itum klem ra pet be sang ho pen dak nang che tong dun N.E KARBI life atim pen ke chenglo itum song klem ra pet jirpo jirpi la pen dipu government college along pen nang che tong dun jirpo jirpi an patame dipu government college student civilian society along pen mai phu pen kadok be phan nili hin pen nili ningak long si pen choro se lam theng tan kok lo kardom